Okay, serious right there. She's got her ring light set up. See, people, if you drink too much Beverly, this is what it does to you. Yeah! Good man. Bags packed to around the run today. We're really on our way, yeah. Feel like we'll soon explode. Got the good old party mode, okay. Soon we're on our way, yeah. And our friends sure will tag along, 'cause today's... We have arrived. It is August 30th, 2021. It's a Monday. And basically the summer season just ended yesterday. Like, this is why I picked this time, because the hotel rooms were a lot cheaper starting tonight. Okay, this place looks really, really fun. They close at 1 o'clock, so they're only open for breakfast and lunch. And there's something unique inside. So I know what it is, the kids don't. So I'm curious to get their expressions. It doesn't seem busy. I thought it'd be busy, but it's not. There's animatronics. Skyline is going to love, she has it, she's like right behind us. The Kim Kardashian one is up there. Ronald Reagan hen, Aretha Frank hen. I thought these are like supposed to move and dance. Maybe every now and then they do. I'm wondering if during this time they have a limited menu, because I thought online the menu had more than this. So there's not quite a lot to choose from, but there is breakfast or lunch. Okay, I'm really, really, really hoping that these chickens dance. So what do you think of this place?
I would hate to wear overalls every day to work.
Yeah. So look at the name of that hen right there.
That's funny.
That's funny. I think they're supposed to dance and move at some point. So there's Ellen DeGeneres and Henry Chesney back there. Oh, you probably can't see. So one of these up here is like making clucking sounds, but we hear it, but we don't see anything moving. Michael Jordan. So I'm not going to repeat them. Oh, we're underneath Christina Aguilera. It's hard to see, I know the lighting. Oh my gosh, Jimmy Hendrix is out on tour. It's a Queen song. Grilled chicken sandwich. So this is a special, the cinnamon roll. It is a hidden Mickey. I'm so proud of you, Lakeland. Cinnamon roll pancakes that are a special today. They're huge.
I'm gonna have to try those.
Even an egg.
Did I just hear a oh my god after your first bite? That good?
Mm-hmm.
Lakeland, have you had a bite yet?
Good, I tried this.
Like, holy crap.
Well, Brayden seriously just asked, I wonder what the calories are on that.
It's over 1,000.
So I pulled out these coupon books that I had gotten at the Welcome Center to look for things to do. And our waitress told us there was a coupon for here and there. 10% off. That's cool. Didn't realize that.
too quickly because a hen came out of that box right there. This one looks like she got a crick in her neck there. That started moving for the first time. He's putting coal in the fire. That's cute. Okay, you guys have to tell me which the hens are your favorite, like name-wise. We're closing the place down, guys. It's after 1. Okay, I might have to get this shirt. This is me on a good day. I just might have to get that. Alright, we have Miley Frylis, Willie Nelson, Albert Eggstein, Dixie Chick, Jennifer Lopez, Justin Timberbeek, Larry Bird, and Amelia Earhart. Okay, that's hilarious. Alright, cute little place. We didn't even realize that our hotel is just the very next block, the next stoplight. So it's early, it's 1:17, doubt we get our room, but who knows, we might. The kids love the smell in here. Like the whole resort has like, you know, this beachy smell to it. So living for the weekend. And 2 queens, I believe is what I booked. And we have a microwave, large refrigerator. It's very fresh and clean in here, safe. I love the extra counter space, all the plugs and drives, more outlets. This table moves wherever you want it to go. I mean, isn't that great? You don't have to stay there. You could put the table there. You could put a porta crib here, chair. I love the beachy theme look to the furniture. And let's see, a cool 67 degrees. And we have the little coffee station. Is there a problem? It's a nice chair. You about fell backwards? Let's not break the chair. Large TV. We have hat and coat hanger. You know, just really sticking with this beachy theme. Let's get some extra lights on here. And Skyland's already put the bathroom to use. What'd you think of this beach theme in this bathroom? This is nice. I like that they actually have 3 different towel hooks. And I'm really shocked that our room was ready, but only because it's a Monday and that the season ended, the busy season ended yesterday. So check out that beach vehicle. The wallpaper is kind of, well, that's not even wallpaper. Huh. I really like this. Oh wow, this comes out? Whoa, I've never seen that in a hotel before. Got 2 of them. And then, oh, we have a makeup towel, that's awesome. And lotion, I'm gonna smell it in a second and tell you what it smells like. And shampoo, conditioner, and more. 2 shampoos? 2 different shampoos. And of course, I'm going to be getting out my Lysol and spraying in a minute. And those that have been following us for years know that I was spraying Lysol in hotel rooms years and years before the virus. So, large mirror. What do y'all think of this room? What do we think of the room? Lakeland digs it, okay? And Braden. Oh, it's pretty nice. And Skyland. What's burning?
Something.
I guess they just turned on the heat.
Why'd you turn the heat on?
That was not me.
Turn it off, it smells really good.
Ew, yes, it's a burning smell. I don't like it.
It just means the heat hasn't been used in a while.
Yeah, we don't need heat. It feels good.
It's just not. It's cold.
No, it feels good. Well, put some clothes on. All right, and we got like this corner room. So check out this balcony, like a corner here. So we can actually see the parkway. Oh, we're right above the sign. We got the whole mural right here. And we're at the entrance of the island. So one of the reasons I picked this was so that we could just walk to the island, park our vehicle, and not have to worry about it anymore. And the overflow parking for this lot is right there. It's gated. You have a code to get in it. And we have a closet with an ironing board and an iron. And it's hidden when you move the doors. Okay, let's do this. After I put my glasses on, I realized this is body wash, not shampoo. That's just shampoo. Forgot to mention that when you check in, they actually give you a lanyard with your room keys in it. Let you know what number you're in. We're in 503. And I noticed the only thing I don't like about this that's missing is the makeup mirror. And, you know, people like me, whose eyes aren't what they used to be, really need that makeup mirror. Lakeland noticed something very interesting. Love this clock. So the time shows on this side for the people in this bed, out here if you're not in the bed, and give you an overview with this map. So we're at the island. We are right here. The big resort that costs a lot is all of this right here. It's neat because when you're here, you don't really realize that you're actually, the water, the river is right there. You see kind of this part, but when you're there, you don't see any of this. So I guess these rooms have a really nice view back there. This is one of the things that we're doing that the kids like to do. And I'm really excited about riding the Copycat Soarin' ride, you know, the one at Epcot. This is Skyfly, but I love that it's steampunk themed, so I'm excited about that. So basically we're just gonna walk down here and bam, we're there. Does it feel weird for you, Skylin?
Yep.
So today is her school's first day of class, but she's not there because she is leaving in just a few, well, more than a few days for her study abroad.
Literally less than a week.
Yeah, less than a week. And that's one of the reasons that I booked this little trip, because we are coming when the season ends. So, has ended, like I said. So the rooms are cheaper. There's holes in your new pants. You should take them back. And so normally Skylin would not have been able to come, or we would have had to come when it was more expensive. But yeah, we got to do this since she's doing study abroad. We got to come when it was cheaper, which I really, really like. Guys, the 70s is back.
The 70s are back.
Yes. That's what she bought today. Look, guys, the carpet looks like water. And it just really smells really fresh in here. What's this way? Oh my gosh. Oh, and we have vending right here, so that's nice. How much is it? $2. And then the ice machine is right there. So there's 7 floors. This is the first time I've seen a hand sanitizer in the elevator. Is there anything in it? Ooh, you just dripped it on the floor.
I just wasn't expecting it to be water.
Oh, you were expecting foam?
It was just very...
Alright, let's take a look. They have computer centers. And there's going to be breakfast. 10. We'll be here at like 9:45, I'm sure. So I want to go ahead and show you now while nobody's here. Complimentary breakfast. Very nice. And I gotta keep talking because of the music, the copyright music. But we have a fitness center, which I don't think Skylin realized that, or any of them, so they may come down and do that. Showed you the outdoor pool already. There is an indoor pool. Oh, and there's a hot tub with some people in it over there. And this just, yep, goes to the stairs. Okay, so let's go back. A lot of like open areas down here. There's a nice little fireplace I saw right here. I mean, this is a nice area. They don't have it going now, but at least I think that's like a fireplace. Nope, that's fake. Oh well, it was the thought. And I mean, color scheme is awesome. Okay, what I'm really loving, oh, I totally need to do this in my house. Oh my gosh, you know what? I really, really, really need to do this. That's really cool. I gotta take a picture. Okay, and then this is also part of the lobby. The music is actually a little louder in here. Oh my gosh, the picture on that TV is amazing. All right, and oh my gosh, Tom would love to have that in the house. So look, we have birds. That is so pretty. Look at the vibrant orange. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh my gosh, the purple on this one. Wow, so these are like on loan from the parrot attraction that's in Pigeon Forge. All right, I have a $10 store credit because of when I booked. It was something that they were doing. So I gotta see if there's anything I want to buy. And then I get another $10 credit because I shared where I was staying on Facebook. Ooh, nice. All right, have you ever stayed here before? Are you thinking about staying here? Let me know in the comments. Waiting for that alarm to go off. All right, so.
You guys should buy your swimsuits, man.
Oh, there's their pool. So Braden's kind of upset because he was the only one that brought a bathing suit.
I'm the only one that brought a bathing suit. I want to go swimming.
We didn't even like think about it. Like it just wasn't even on our radar. Well, we have other plans for tonight. Nice little. You're hilarious. So these rooms up here have a view of the island, which would have been nice at nighttime. But oh well. So the overflow parking, the gate, come out here and then you just go right in here, and this is their overflow parking because they don't have a lot of parking spots at the actual like hotel. Ooh, the Red Nut Comedy Bus Tour.